Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm on board our used 2014 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Ask anyone that works here, has been in the world, we love these boats. They're called a hybrid. Why? They have the fuel and the engines to run quite a distance and keep you feeling secure while having all the amenities and the draft that supports sandbar days and the family. Speaking of the family, check this out. You'll see the brake in the bow rail, great for kids and dogs forward. This gives you a little bit of access on and off the front of the boat whenever you're near a sandbar. Back that up with the bow filler cushion. An option and a great one that this boat has gives you another spot. But the real jewel in seating for this boat and for any hybrid boat, the 27 Dauntless has this incredible forward lounger in front of the console. And what's underneath it probably isn't clean. Oh, look at that. Owner's bag, everything you need, and incredible storage. Just one of a whole bunch of reasons why we really love these 270 Dauntlesses. Of course, the hardtop, some of the very best powder coat that you can find in the marine world. And you can't even hear them on video right now, but a pair of 225 Verados idling at the back. Less than 300 hours on them. They are next to a power pole, a incredible treat. If you've had one, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't had one, seriously, check it out. They make the world so much nicer, especially when you have friends on board, family from out of town, kids, people who can't help or don't know what they're doing. Having that power pole back there when you pop up over to Lido Key or Jewfish, it's worth its weight in gold and then some a little bit more. This boat's got a 12-inch Garmin touchscreen on it as well, VHF, and frankly, if you're just not willing to compromise on the quality and you need something for the family, but that will take you offshore on those good days, I challenge you to find a better boat. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, where we have this boat right here, the gem of the West Coast. If you've got some questions, call me, call any of the guys here, and we'll set up a sea trial and show you how you can get into a 27 Dauntless, definitely on a really, really good budget. I'm Jeremiah. Talk to you soon.